Hey, welcome back. This is a short devlog for my Frozen Cold game, going into the second sprint of development. There's been a few hiccups along the way so far. I didn't actually get much done this past 2 weeks, mainly because of the submission of other projects for formative deadline, while this one lasts the whole 2 semesters, and also just the whole grip system and hand interaction is killing me with physics hands. So I was actually looking again at the Autohands VR package that I talked about earlier in development, because it basically does come with everything I need. The only downside being there's just less that I can put on my portfolio at the end, but it would also mean that I could make a far more completed game because I'd be spending much less time on hand physics. In the video I've just put up, you can see that you can break apart objects and stab objects and throw them and have grip systems on them that grip anywhere, and it's just a whole lot cleaner than what I have right now. And likelihood is if I keep going with this, I'll probably get it done. But there's been so many more issues that just keep popping up that I think it's something a bit out of scope for a 2 semester development first time VR project for a uni student. So I'm in talks with the developer of Autohands VR at the moment, just to see if he thinks it will work in my project, because obviously I'm messing with the constraints of rigid bodies when I freeze time, and that might mess with Autohands. But we'll see what happens, and I might end up using it, I might end up not using it. Since the last devlog though, I did get a few other things done. I've been working with sharp objects and how they behave differently. I've just basically made it so the blade is on a different layer, and when you freeze time it, you can push like blades inside of enemies, and unfreezing it will damage them. I wasn't able to work on any destructible objects, but I think if I use the Autohands thing, that comes with a framework for destructible objects anyway, so I might as well just wait until I have that before doing that. I did also work on a level manager, but there's not much to show for it right now because it doesn't really do anything. I need to make an initiation check. If you look at my learning contract too, there's only one task that I set to be completed by December, which is the next milestone, and that's just weapons that freeze in time. And this is already done because all weapons, basically, their script inherit from the base object class script, and so any weapon I make will automatically freeze in time. The only thing I need to add is just the functionality that weapons can fire. And this is just really simple to do, and I basically already have it set up, just not connected. But that's about it. So this week, basically, what I'm going to be doing is following the negotiated brief and the learning contract, just finishing off the weapons, make sure I'm on track for everything, and then I'll probably want to try and implement the Autohands VR asset, see how that works. If it all works great, then I don't need to refund it. Then I'm just going to go ahead with that and start developing like better systems and implementing destructible objects and grippable weapons that fire, and then hopefully development should speed up and I'll have more to show for it.